Welcome to Bryson. My name's Conrad. I'm a business strategist. And the question is, do you need business insurance, or is it just something that's overpriced that you don't need? Really depends. First and foremost, there's so many business insurance products, I don't even know where to start. But what I am going to do is I'm going to make it really simple for you to understand what you probably need if you are going to select an insurance product. But of course, speak with your own insurance agents, insurance broker, or whoever you go to for insurance advice, advisors, etc., and make sure to speak with them. I'm just going to share some popular concepts that we help our clients here at Bryson, and what's pretty much an industry norm. We are a consulting firm, and we help businesses all over to protect and better protect themselves. So first and foremost, when you have a business, either you're possibly a sole proprietorship, maybe you're doing business as, you have a DBA, you're either a limited liability company, an LLC, maybe you're a C Corp or corporation. Heck, maybe you're a C Corp or LLC that's elected to be an S Corp with IRS Form 2553. In all these circumstances and situations, you really need to figure out where you fit. There's no one size fits all. For example, maybe you own a burger restaurant, for example. You won't need the same insurance that, for example, a dealership might need. Maybe there's a guy or gal that owns a dealership where they sell cars. They need maybe a certain license, a certain bond. You might not need that for your business. So you have to pick which business insurance fits for you. So on average, about for 90% of most of our clients from all over the place, from insurance agents to attorneys to physicians like doctors, chiropractors, to mom and pop convenience stores, liquor stores, all of them have different types of insurance that they need. We've helped a plethora and many different other industries besides this, and real estate investors, car investors, people that invest in cars for the rental market, like Turo, Get Around Hire Car. They rent their cars through like Airbnb, just like rental properties through Airbnb, VRBO, or Verbal. So it really depends on what type of investor you are, what type of business you own. And most of these companies and people's entities, whether they're sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, doesn't matter, S Corp or not, usually will benefit from umbrella policies. Let me explain what an umbrella policy is. You might already know what this is, but just in case if you don't, I'm going to articulate a bit further. An umbrella policy, as the name was coined and states, umbrella, just like when you go on the rain, an umbrella protects you from the rain. In the situation where you're rained with lawsuits and situations and complaints and all these problems just raining on your business, you have an umbrella policy that helps to mitigate that. So what this essentially means is that there's no one size fits all. There's no perfect solution. This you might ask, hey, but what if I already have a corporation? What if I already have a limited liability company, an LLC? What if I'm already elected to be an S Corp? Aren't I already protected? Yes, it gives you liability protections. Umbrella policies, for what most people, at least most of our clients, is pretty cost effective, because the average price annually for an umbrella policy, there's different variables depending on the industry, is typically from $200 annually, not per month, annually, to $1,000 annually. Yes, I'm sure there's some that are higher than that and lower than that. That's usually what the price costs for a umbrella policy. To add on, if you already have, say, your own auto policy, your own business policy, that's what it usually costs. If you want a standalone, where maybe you have there's some umbrella policy they require you to have, for example, if you have personal insurance or home insurance, you have to bring your property coverages up to maybe $250,000, $500,000, depending on where you jurisdict. Or maybe your home policy to bring up to $500,000. And of course that increases it, but typically the increase is anywhere from $200 to $1,000 annually, which comes out $200 is right, if give or take, is about $16.66. And for $1,000 comes about $83. That's about the amount per month you would pay. So $16 is what you pay if it was $200 increase for umbrella policy, and for $83 per month would be for if it increases by $1,000 per year. Most of my clients find this very cost effective, because you're getting essentially a $1 million umbrella to $2 million umbrella that gets protection for you on top of if you're an LLC or if you operate a single member LLC, which is considered a disregarded entity by the IRS definition, or if you're multi-managed LLC, or if you elect to be an S Corp or you're a C Corp and you elect to be an S Corp or you're just a C Corp. It doesn't hurt typically to have just extra protections. So yes, even if you can be sued, even if you have liability protections, you might still want some funds, because if you do lose, maybe you commingle funds, right? And that's another story for another day, and that's another topic you should share with your attorney. I'm not giving you tax advice, so don't sue or litigate me. Don't sue or litigate Pierce and Bryson. I'm just sharing experiences. It's your due diligence to share another strategy you might have not thought of. If you do end up losing that case, that's where insurance is a huge win, because maybe you commingle your funds. So maybe you're paying with your personal credit card and you get sued. Unfortunately, they sue your business, but now they can sue your assets. That umbrella policy typically can help you in that situation. That's where you want to speak to your agent. It helps you to fix mistakes for a very cost-effective price. Yes, there's many other business policies and insurance products, but umbrella policy is probably one of the most valuable that you combine if you have an LLC, corporation, doesn't matter if you're S Corp or not, and especially if you have no liability protection. Maybe you're a sole proprietor, should be just using DBA. So that means you're sued, it's just your name, you're sued directly. You probably would definitely want to look into this. Speak with your insurance agent. If you want us to assist you as well, leave the comments below, and we're happy to point you in the right direction. And again, umbrella policies, look it up. It helps to add additional protection if you have no protections, if you're just a sole proprietor, if you're LLC, corporation, S Corp. It's added in addition on top of it. So in the day, if you do lose a case, maybe because you commingle funds or you really are at fault, maybe you did everything right, you separated protections, but now this protects your business assets. Just because your business is protected, liability protections, and you get sued, do you still want to lose your business assets? If you're a business owner who wants to lose your business assets, that's fine. But for those that still maybe made a mistake, maybe an employee made a mistake, and you're sued because some type of litigation, why do you want to lose your business assets that you worked so hard for? Paying $16 per month or $83 per month or $1,000 annually for the increase to have an umbrella policy might be worth it. And that's what I wanted to share with you. Anyways, like, subscribe, share. If you found any value in this video, please feel free to hit that bell, subscribe to the channel. We're one of the few Pierce and Bryson consulting firms that are actually assisting with teaching people free strategies that you can help no matter how big or small you are. Contact us if you want assistance. Peace.